I want to see it. Oh, hey man! welcome to the shrimp farm. Let's go jet skiing.
Is this considered Mecca, CA?
Yeah, this is in Mecca, but so my family's got like 3 lakes, and so that's the old lake. We're at the new lake. We also call it the shrimp farm, and then there's another one closer to town in Mecca.
Is there shrimp around here?
Not anymore. We ate them.
Ball caddy. Yo, what's up? Oh, there you go. Thank you, sir. Click and subscribe below.
Yeah.
Click below, people.
Below.
Remember, subscribe.
Subscribe's up here.
Follow us.
Subscribe's up here.
If you want to see some cool ass shit. It's that way. Sorry, it's that way.